Hello and welcome back to another lesson of Microsoft Office Word from Literacy Bits. In this lesson we are going to have a look to these options. This is online videos. If you're connected to your network, you can add online videos from here, and you may copy URL of the video from the website and paste it in here. It will insert the video. This is a link. As an example, I want to add a document like this, info. When I click in here, it will add a link from a PDF, okay? And when I hover in it, it will say press Ctrl and click. When I click it, it will open the PDF. The next option is about bookmark. When you want to give information or mark something, you come in here. As an example, this is information about a person. I will write Shahid and I will press add. And I select this area. I'll go at bookmark, but this time I will change the name. QMads. I'll select this area, I'll go to bookmark, and I'll write. Whenever I go to bookmark, when I click Shahid and I will press go to, it will go the area that we selected, like this. And imagine this is the information about Shahid. And when I click to Kaihan and press go to, it will go to the information which was about Kaihan. You can sort it by name or by location too. You can hide bookmarks too, but I don't think so. It is essential. The next option is about cross-reference. So what does a cross-reference do? As an example, this is the information about Kabul province. Imagine this information about Mazar province. And in here we have a list, okay? I'll write list of the provinces of AFG or Afghanistan. And one thing to be mentioned, we have to make them as a header. Heading 1 and also heading 1. When I click in here, I'll go to insert and cross-reference. I'll select heading. Yeah, at first I want to add Kabul. When I insert, Kabul province will come in here, and I want to insert Mazar as well. Good. And I will make space between them. Whenever I come in here, press Ctrl and click this text, it will go to information which is about Kabul. And when I press Mazar province, it will go to the information which belongs to Mazar. This is what a cross-reference do. The next option is about comment. Whenever you want to write a comment about this text, you select it, you press comment, and you will write anything you want. This is a comment. It will show and give information about your text. And also you can add comment to the comment too. And also you can add comment inside comment like this. So guys, this was the information about link, bookmark, and cross-reference, in addition comment. I wish you enjoy it. In the next lesson we're going to study footer, header, and page numbers. Bye bye.